Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the device and your workstation. Enable developer options and USB debugging so your tools can access the phone. Install ADB and the proper drivers and open your IDE or text editor. This gives you terminal and file-level access. Connect by USB or configure Wi-Fi debugging. Make sure ADB lists the device. Once done, create a working folder and pull essential files like logs and APKs. This minimizes interruptions later and gives you a controlled starting point. Now you extract and inspect the app itself. Use a DB pull to copy the APK, logcat output, and relevant data directories to your workstation so you can work offline. Decompile the APK with a tool for resources and JAGs for readable Java-like code. This reveals layout and control flow. Once decompiled, search for strings, network endpoints, and exception handlers using grep or your IDE search. Make sure to map stack traces from logcat to decompiled methods to pinpoint the faulty code paths. Finally, perform dynamic testing to confirm your findings. Launch the app while streaming logcat and attach a debugger via Android Studio or use Frida for runtime instrumentation. This lets you observe behavior in real time. Reproduce the issue and capture heap dumps, network traces, and CPU profiles so you can verify root causes. Once fixed or documented, rebuild any patched APK or produce a clear report with reproduction steps and affected files. If things go wrong, restart ADB, clear app data, and rerun tests to isolate transient issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.